Ledbetter lessons.
Okay, time to master the set x2 and the set y2 blocks. Now this is going to be a really short video because it's pretty simple. It is the exact same as if you changed the values in these xy parts here. So it's the exact same except for you're doing it in your script, in your code. So let's set their x to 100, and when we click that block, you'll see that we move to 100. So it doesn't matter where we are, it's not going to change our value by 100, it's going to move to that position in the x, right? So we're in our x direction, we move over to 100. And then the same thing with the y. It's the exact same as just typing that into the y there. So we now are at 100, 100, right? 100 in the x and 100 in the y. So that's it. That's all that they do. And you've just mastered the set x and set y2 blocks.